If you're already an electrician running your own business or just about to start and grow your own electrical business, you must learn the 4 critical things electrical business owners wish they had learned before starting an electrical business so you don't make the same mistakes. Electrician Accelerator has put together a free training video you can watch for free right now that will show you exactly how to start, grow, and build your electrical business the right way so you can consistently guarantee profitable work, free up your time, all whilst reducing stress levels and allowing you to have a sustainable and more profitable business that works for you. In this free training video, you will also learn how to generate a steady stream of jobs on demand and with predictability month after month in your local area without relying on word of mouth and referrals. How to stop competing on price with other electricians and escape your competition. How to convert at least 90% of your quotes and estimates into sale. How to command premium prices and attract high-quality customers that are happy to pay more. Click on the link in the description below the video. Electrical work is an important job which has been around for hundreds of years. Being an electrician is important enough to be an essential service, but to be a good electrician, one needs training, a heart for the job, certification, professionalism, and of course, the right tools. Most of the time, electricians use most of the tools we are now going to discuss. Without these, electricians would not be able to do their jobs quickly enough, tidily enough, safely enough, or maybe even not at all. We went searching for the tools the prospective electrician would need and came up with the following. But before we get into the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any of the new videos we post. What are the main and most important tools every electrician should have? Without further ado, these tools are the most important ones to have if you are an electrician or starting out as one. Multimeter. A multimeter is a measuring instrument that can measure multiple electrical properties. A typical multimeter can measure voltage, resistance, and current, in which case it is also known as a volt-ohm millimeter, or VOM. Analog multimeter uses a microammeter with a moving pointer to display readings. Digital multimeters, DMM or DVOM, have numeric displays and have made analog multimeters obsolete as they are cheaper, more precise, and more physically robust than analog multimeters. Multimeters vary in size, features, and price. They can be portable handheld devices or highly precise bench instruments. Cheap multimeters can cost under $10 while laboratory-grade models with certified calibration can cost over $5,000. Pliers. Every electrician needs basic hand tools to perform everyday tasks. Pliers come in many styles, and you need several of them. Side-cutting pliers and long-nose pliers are great choices to have in your tool bag. There are many types, and it all boils down to preference and task. A good pair of nose pliers should have built-in cutters, or even better if they have a stripping hole for wire. Side-cutting pliers are especially useful. They are used to cut wires, nails, staples, MC cables, and other hard materials. Make sure that the jaws are hardened for durability. Screwdrivers. As an electrician, you need several screwdrivers to work with many types of fasteners for different nuts and enclosing. Choose a screwdriver with a chrome-plated and heat-treated shaft to last longer. Also, choose one that adapts to perform many tasks. For instance, choose a 10-in-1 screwdriver. This way you save money and your tool bag becomes lighter. A screwdriver with a well-cushioned shaft will save you from many a blister. Wire strippers. Since you are working with wires at all times, you need a good wire stripper in your arsenal of tools. These strippers cut, strip, and loop stranded and solid wire. Wire strippers wear out easily and need replacing regularly. That's not to say you can't find a good pair in the market. A simple pair of wire strippers with a voltage tester is all you need. Get one with an ergonomic design. A curved handle fits into an electrician's grip and reduces motion fatigue. Fish tape. A fish tape's use is to pull stranded or solid wire through metal or PVC conduits. Fish tape aids in wire installation by pulling wire through ceilings or walls. Choose a fiberglass tape to work with when dealing with live conduits and steel tape for everyday use. You will need a sturdy fish tape that is able to pierce through installation. Measuring tape. A tape measure that works with you is a great asset in your tool bag. This is a compulsory item on every electrician's tool list. You are going to be measuring many things: locating light fixtures, laying conduit runs and bends, mounting boxes, and just a bunch of other things that need a decent tape to measure. That is why you need one with a strong, heavy-duty blade that doesn't break off easily. Get one with magnetic tips that stick to steel. It makes measuring alone easier. A 25-foot or 7.6 meter double-sided tape is great because you want to stretch it as far as possible, and it's great for taking measurements from below. Drill. A good drill is a great addition to an electrician's bag. You will be drilling or fastening screws all the time. A good hammer could do the job, but a good drill will make your work easier and faster. Drills come corded or cordless. A corded drill has power all the time since it's attached to a power source. A cordless drill works with rechargeable batteries. A cordless drill is the right choice when working in tight spaces. A hammer drill is even better because it will work with both wood and concrete. Long battery life is necessary for you to work longer without having to recharge. Avoid getting cheaper drill sets, as their lifespan is limited and batteries don't last long. Get a drill with lithium batteries, if it's within your reach budget-wise. Drills are not cheap, so invest wisely. Saws. The type of power saws needed will depend on the job at hand. Due to their versatility, handheld reciprocating power saws are the best. Spiral saws, hole saws, cutoff saws, and portable saws can also be used. There are both corded and cordless power saws. A corded power saw performs better because a lot of power and speed is needed when cutting through metal, concrete, and cutting studs. A cordless power saw is great when cutting drywall from above because it offers flexibility. Conduit Bender. This tool is very important and does just one thing: to bend a conduit. Electrical metal tubing, or EMT, is the most common grade of pipes used, and it comes in 10-foot lengths, so you will have to bend it at some point. It takes time and patience to bend a conduit properly. That is why you need the right tool for the job. Electricians need to have conduit benders in 1/2-inch and 3/4-inch sizes in their tool bags. Labeling machine. Labeling cables saves a great amount of time and hassle when making additions or changes later on. A labeling machine speeds up the whole process and prints barcode graphics memory to sort lists. Get a handheld labeling tool with an electric keyboard that is capable of making marks on tough and arched surfaces. If you can find one that is compatible with your PC, the more versatile it will be. Terminal block. These modular insulated devices assist electricians when grouping multiple wires together. They're used to connect wiring to a ground or connect electrical switches and outlets to mains. Reaming Bit. Installing new conduits or replacing old ones means connecting different segments of piping together to create a wiring route between electrical components. A reaming bit attaches to an electrical drill and widens the opening on one end of the piping, allowing it to connect to another segment of piping and complete a secure conduit. Splicing connector. These plastic clips help electricians make quick connections with multiple pieces of wire. They can be used with multiple cables, including device wires, telephone cables, and electrical cable. Flashlights. For an electrician, working in the dark is a potential hazard of the job. Keep essential electrician tools like flashlights and other various work lights handy and within reach. Insulated gloves. Electrocution poses real danger for electricians, so they need to take precautions. Wearing insulated gloves provides another layer of protection, so include them as one of your electrical maintenance tools. Insulated gloves come in various styles for fit and comfort, so choose the type that works best for you. Safety glasses. Electricians need to protect their eyes when closely examining electrical wiring or operating power tools. Apprentices and seasoned veterans alike need a pair of safety glasses on hand at every job site as part of their essential electrician tool. Rescue rod or hook. Rescue rods or hooks are used to remove large items or unconscious people who have been electrocuted from a hazardous area. Because a dangerous electrical current may still be live, emergency first responders must use the rescue rod to pull a victim away from the electrical source without getting electrocuted themselves. Conduit Cutter. This tool is a must if you work with MC cable. You will most likely find MC cable in commercial or industrial settings. A conduit cutter makes the job of cutting the flex so easy. Before I was introduced to the tool, I used my side cutters to strip the flex off, and I found that the conduit cutter is much faster and cleaner. Another benefit is that it never cuts or damages the wire. I sometimes did that with my side cutter. Crimps. This item has a permanent place in my tool pouch. Crimping is a daily reality, be it brass grounding sleeves or insulated terminal connectors. I recommend the open jaw style over the crimpers which are in the natal. This has better leverage and it uses a more natural and ergonomic action. Torpedo Level. A small level, such as a torpedo level, fits easily in a tool pouch, and is used to make sure your work is level and plumb. A great installation starts with level boxes and straight switch and outlet covers. A torpedo level should be a part of every homeowner's standard toolkit, and it will have plenty of uses beyond electrical work. Cable ties, also known as zip ties, these inexpensive fasteners are great at binding electrical cables or wires together. Keep your electrical space neat and organized with cable ties. That concludes our video for today. If you have ideas as to other tools, feel free to leave a comment. What do you use? Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay safe.